Okay, welcome to Peter Piper's Pies. This is the homework introducing you to the first section on income statements. And what we will be doing is constructing a very simple income statement that has a couple of variables to it. It's got three pies. It's got three different volumes that we sell these pies at. It's got three different prices that we sell these pies at, and it's got three different costs to manufacture these. So you've got, in this particular example, we're looking at these three pies right up here, lemon pies, blueberry pies, and strawberry pies. Cost to make them, 25 cents, 75 cents, and 50 cents for those different pies. We sell a couple of different volumes. 1,250 of the lemon, 1,000 blueberry, and 1,500 strawberry pies, and we sell them for three different prices. So as an entrepreneur, you will see that you have many times different prices of different products that you'll be selling. And we also have some additional information that we're given in this particular problem where we spend a little bit of money on advertising. Our package costs are 8 cents each. So when we look here at raw materials of 25 cents, we're also going to want to add that 8 cents into that 25 cents, and the 8 cents into the 75 cents, and the 8 cents into 50 cents. We're not doing this for free, so we're also going to take a salary of 150 bucks a month, and we have somebody that we pay delivery of 20 bucks a day and 22 days a month. So we're going to have that particular expense to include in this. So what this question is asking is, what is the current profit or loss for this business? If you want to make more profit, which type of pie should we sell more of? And if you reduce your raw material cost by 10 cents, what would your new profit loss be? So let's take a look at how we might lay this out. So we create a simple but organized income statement where at the top of all income statements you should see the sales, and then the next section should be cost of goods or expenses. And almost all income statements are laid out in the exact same way. At the top is where you're going to find the sales or revenues. So in this case here we've set our three types of pies out, and we've laid them out very clearly. And then we created a column of a price and then how much of that we're going to sell. And simply by multiplying the price times the volume, we will get what the gross sales number is. Very simple up at the top. Cost of goods sold, we know how much it costs, and we'll just add that in there in this cell right here. And we already know what the volumes are, so we'll just add those, bring those down from the top. And again, we multiply the cost times the volume, and it will give us what our total costs are. In the problem, it already told us what our sales and marketing expenses are, what our shipping expenses are going to be, and what our salary is going to be. So let's go and see what it looks like when we've laid it out in a more organized format. So again, we've got our sales up here at the top, and we've got the three types of pies, lemon, blueberry, and strawberry. And these are our various prices. Lemon is $1.29, blueberry is $1.49, and strawberry is $1.69. Here's the volume for the different ones. Remember, we're multiplying these two columns times one another, and we get for lemon pies $1,612.50, blueberry $1,490, and strawberry $2,535. We add all three of these together, okay, and that creates that. This cell right here is just summing these three cells above it to get, this is what your total sales are going to be for this particular item. We go down to the cost of goods, and it's the same thing. We knew that we had 25 cents plus 8 cents for the packaging, and we add that all together, and we're at 33 cents, and we multiply these two columns by one another. So we've got two levels of information here. We've got the sales area, and we've got cost of goods. Okay? We've also figured out what each individual item was going to cost us. We know that we're paying $150 for advertising and marketing, and this is what our shipping costs are going to be, and we're going to take some money out of it. So we add this plus that plus that equals $2,852.50. When we subtract that from that, it gives us what our profit's going to be. $2,785. To find out what the margin is on this amount of profit, all we are going to do is take the $2,785 and divide it by the sales right here. So we take profit and divide it by sales, and that gives us our gross margin.